Hello, this is Mr. Adams here. We're going to do a little bit of review for the test. It's already online. Everybody is, looks like everybody is signed in and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a review here of three different things that we've covered this, the last 3 or 4 weeks. And one of those is percent of increase and decrease. If you see somebody in the background, just ignore them. I have no idea who they are. Okay. All right. So the percent of increase and decrease. All right. Subtract and divide by the original number. The price was $20. Now it's $15. Okay. The price was 20. Now it's 15. So that means you're going to subtract. So 20 minus 15 gives you $5. You subtract and then you divide by the original number. What was the original number, the original price? 20. So you take your $5, I can't divide 20. And yes, you can. You put a decimal point, 2 zeros, and you go ahead and divide it out. And if you divide that out, all right, what do you wind up with? Well, let's take a look. Okay. So 20 goes into 50, how many times? 2 goes into there, it goes 2 times. It's 40, 1, 0. Okay, bring down to 0, 20 to 100, 5.25, which is what? You got to change that decimal to a percent, 2 places to the right. That's 25%. What? Decrease. It went down, right? From 20 to 5. So it's a 25% decrease. That's how you do percent of increase and decrease. Doesn't matter if it went up or down. It's still done the same way. You subtract and divide by the original number. You're going to get a decimal answer. You're going to change that decimal to a percent. All right? That's percent of increase and decrease. All right? Let's take a look real quick at commission. Commission. So commission is just, you're finding the percent of a number. All right? Change percent to a decimal and multiply. If you sell things and you get paid commission, that's what this is all about. All right? How much money are you going to make? So you sold $200 worth of merchandise at 5% commission. So you take $200 and you multiply by 5% as a decimal, which is 0.05. And if you multiply that out, you get 0, 0, and 10, 2 decimal places, and you have $10. All right? $10. You made $10 on that particular sale at 5%. All right? So that's what commission is. You multiply the rate of commission, which is the percent, times how much you sold, and that gives you the amount of commission that you would get for that paycheck or whatever you want to call it. All right? All right. Next, discounts. Discounts. Example, all right, on discounts. $80 shoes on sale at a 20% discount or 20% off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, I'm going to subtract the 20% from 100% and get 80%, because I'm actually going to pay 80% of the original price of those shoes, right? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to subtract from 20%, from 100%, get 80%, multiply by 80%, and if you do that, you wind up with $64. Okay. You say, well, Mr. Adams, couldn't I just figure how much the discount is? Take 20% times 80, all right? So 80 times 0.2 or 0.20, however you want to look at it, and there you would get $16, and then subtract that from the 80 and get 64. Yes, you can. You can do it either way. You have to subtract and multiply, all right? But it doesn't matter which one you do first, as long as you do it correctly, all right? So I usually go ahead and subtract from 100 first, because to me that's easier, especially if you end up dealing with dollars and cents and things. You end up, a lot more difficult multiplication. So I would go ahead and subtract from 100 first, but you don't have to. You can figure the discount All right, now if it asks you for the discount, then you would have to take the 20% times the 80, because then you're getting the $16. That's your discount. All right, so either way you want to do it, that's fine. Still get the same answer in the long run. All right, those are the 3 main reviews I wanted to do for you before the test. It's already there. It's ready to go. It's due on Wednesday. So make sure you get it done. It's your last grade of the quarter. All right, bye.